Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve Windows Update Service Error 0x8024a206, then stay hooked for the following solutions. Now the first solution would obviously be to troubleshoot Windows Update. So how we can do that is, we right click on the start button, look for settings and look for system, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Press run here. Now if this doesn't work, a second solution could be to paste the following script in command prompt. You will find this script in the description of this video below. Now let me tell you a bit about what this script does. So it stops all Windows services. It deletes the all user profiles file. It non-registers the system root and cat root 2 files. Then it re-registers all the DLL files. It resets WinSock and it starts the Windows services. So we copy this script, then go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we paste the script here, and this should resolve the issue. Now, if this doesn't work, mostly these two solutions resolve the issue, but in the extreme rare case that it doesn't, what we can do is we can download the Windows Microsoft Update catalog manually and install it manually. So what we'll do, we'll go to the browser, we'll search for Microsoft Update catalog here, and we will click on this link. Now we should input the date here in month and year format. So we are in August now, so this would be 08/2024, and whichever corresponding year and month you are looking at this video, you should enter the corresponding month and year. Click search, and we should look for the corresponding month and year cumulative update. So we find the cumulative update for August 24 here. We download that and we click on this MSU link, and it will download eventually, and we should install it from the download file. I hope this video helped you problem. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.